Good morning. Today we are going to discuss the formula of 2SC, 2CS, 2CC, 2SS. But first of all, recall the formula of tan A plus B, tan A minus B, cot A plus B and cot A minus B. So first one, tan into bracket A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B upon 1 minus tan A into tan B. Second one, tan into bracket A minus B. So tan into bracket A minus B is equal to tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Third one, cot into bracket A plus B is equal to cot A into cot B minus 1 upon cot B plus cot A. And fourth one, cot into bracket A minus B is equal to cot A into cot B plus 1 upon cot B minus cot A. Now, today our topic is discuss the formula of 2SC, 2CS, 2CC, 2SS. So let us see. First one, 2 times sin A into cos B. That means short form is 2SC is equal to, means 2 times sin A into cos B is equal to, formula is sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Second one, 2 times cos A into sin B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Third one, 2 times cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. And fourth one, 2 times sin A into sin B is equal to cos into bracket A minus B minus cos into bracket A plus B. So now here 4 formula is present. Now how can we remember all these 4 formula? So first of all, see here 2 times sin A into cos B. So here short form of 2, first word is S and second word is cos. That means we can consider here 2SC short form is equal to, now here first one is S plus second one is also S, so we can remember S plus S form. So short form of this formula is 2SC is equal to S plus S. Now second one, first 2CS, so short form is 2CS is equal to S in between minus sign, so S minus S. Now first and second formula both are same, but here plus sign is present, here in between minus sign is present. So here first position is sin and after cos, so here in between we can return plus sign, and first position is cos and after sin, so we can written here minus sign. So remember of this way, 2SC is equal to S plus S, 2CS is equal to S minus S. Now in next one to 2cc, so short form 2cc is equal to C plus C. So and last one 2SS is equal to first position is C, so C minus C. So first one is 2SC, S plus S, second one is 2CS, S minus S, third one is 2CC, C plus C, and fourth one is 2SS, C minus C. Now in first three formula, first we can add first position, first bracket is A plus B, A plus B, A plus B. And in second bracket is A minus B, A minus B, A minus B. But in case of fourth one, first position is cos A minus B and after A plus B. So here interchange the position in fourth formula. So remember. Now using by this formula, discuss some example. So first one, 2 times sin 7 theta into cos 3 theta. So first of all, here sin 7, which formula here using? So 2SC, that means first formula here using. So 2SC is equal to S plus S. Now compare of this formula. So here A that means 7 theta and B that means here present 3 theta. Now after apply this formula, so is equal to sine into bracket A plus B, that means 7 theta is A and 3 theta we can consider B. So sine A plus B, that means 7 theta plus 3 theta, in between plus sign, sine into bracket 7 theta A minus B, that means 7 theta minus 3 theta. So is equal to sine 7 theta plus 3 theta, that means 10 theta, plus sine 7 theta minus 3 theta, that means 4 theta. So here we get the answer, 2 times sine 7 theta into cos 3 theta is equal to sine 10 theta plus sine 4 theta. Next one. Two times sine theta by 2 into cos 5 theta upon 2. So now again here which formula apply here? So first position is S, second is C, that means short form is 2SC, 2SC, that means S plus S. So again same formula apply in above example. So now 2SC, that means S plus S, so is equal to, first add this number and after subtract this number. So sine into bracket theta by 2 plus 5 theta by 2, plus in between plus sign, sine into bracket theta by 2 minus 5 theta upon 2. So is equal to sine into bracket, now LCM same in both this term. So theta plus 5 theta, that means 6 theta by 2, that means sine 3 theta, plus sine into bracket LCM same. So theta minus 5 theta, that means minus 4 theta, and minus 4 theta by 2, that means sine into bracket minus 2 theta. But one property is present, one statement is present, sine into bracket minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So now here apply this result. So is equal to, we can return here sine 3 theta minus sine 2 theta. So our answer is sine 3 theta minus sine 2 theta. Next one. Next question. 2 times cos 5 theta into sine 3 theta. So here apply the identity 2CS, and 2CS, that means S minus S. So here 5 theta we can consider in form of A, and 3 theta we can consider in form of B. So here apply the identity. So is equal to sine into bracket, add this number, that means A plus B means 5 theta plus 3 theta, in between minus sign, so minus sine into bracket. Now in second bracket we can apply minus sign, so 5 theta minus 3 theta, that means A minus B. So is equal to sine 5 theta plus 3 theta, that means sine 8 theta minus sine 2 theta. Next one. Two times cos 5 theta upon 2 into sine 7 theta upon 2. So again here apply the formula of 2CS. 2CS, that means S minus S. So standard form is 2 times cos A into cos B is equal to sine into cos A into sine B is equal to sine A plus B minus sine A minus B. So again 5 theta by 2 we can consider in form of A, and 7 theta by 2 we can consider in form of B. Now here apply the identity. So is equal to, we can return here sine A, that means 5 theta by 2, plus B, that means 7 theta upon 2, minus sine into bracket 5 theta by 2 minus 7 theta by 2. So is equal to, now LCM same in both these terms. So 5 theta plus 7 theta, that means 12 theta divided by 2 means 6 theta, minus sine into bracket 5 theta minus 7 theta, that means minus 2 theta upon 2. So is equal to sine 6 theta minus sine into bracket minus theta, and we know that sine into bracket minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So this minus sign we can return outside, and already in between minus sign is present. So now after minus minus plus, so our final answer sine 6 theta plus sine theta. Next one. Fifth number. 2 times cos 11 theta into cos 3 theta. So here apply the identity 2CC. So 2CC, that means C plus C. So here 11 theta we can consider in form of A and 3 theta we can consider in form of B. So now here apply the identity. So is equal to cos into bracket 11 theta plus 3 theta upon 11 theta plus 3 theta in between plus sign cos into bracket 11 theta minus 3 theta. So is equal to cos into bracket 11 theta plus 3 theta, that means 14 theta, plus cos into bracket 11 theta minus 3 theta, that means cos 8 theta. Next question. 2 times cos 5 theta upon 2 into cos 3 theta upon 2. So again here same identity apply here. So 2cc is equal to c plus c. So is equal to cos into bracket 5 theta by 2 plus 3 theta by 2 plus cos into bracket 5 theta by 2 minus 3 theta by 2. So is equal to cos into bracket LCM same in both this term. So 5 theta plus 3 theta, that means 8 theta. 8 theta divided by 2, that means 4 theta, plus cos into bracket same way here 5 theta minus 3 theta, that means 2 theta. 2 theta divided by 2, so that means theta. So answer is cos 4 theta plus cos theta. Next one. Sin 9 theta into sin 11 theta. Now our actual formula is 2 SS 2 CC, right? But in this formula the position of 2 is not present here. So in this situation, first of all 2 we can multiply and after 2 divide. So is equal to 1 upon 2 we can divide, and in inner part 2 we can multiply. Now here both these position are, means here sin 9 theta and sin 11 theta. So first we can written sin 11 theta into sin 9 theta. Here we can also written sin 9 theta into sin 11 theta. So we get same answer, but we can interchange the position. So easiest way. So is equal to now 2SS and 2SS, that means C minus C. Now C minus C, but first position is minus, first bracket is minus and second bracket is plus. So take care here. So is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket cos into bracket 11 theta minus 9 theta, in between minus sign cos into bracket 11 theta plus 9 theta, bracket over, whole bracket over. So is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket cos 11 theta minus 9 theta, that means cos 2 theta, minus cos 11 theta plus 9 theta, that means cos 20 theta. Next one, 8 number. 2 times sin 7 theta divided by 2 into sin 9 theta divided by 2. So again here same identity apply, 2SS, 2SS, that means C minus C. So is equal to cos into bracket 7 theta by 2 minus 9 theta by 2 minus cos into bracket 7 theta by 2 plus 9 theta by 2. So is equal to cos 7 theta minus 9 theta, that means minus 2 theta, minus 2 theta upon 2, that means cos minus theta, minus cos into bracket 7 plus 9, that means 16, 16 by 2, that means cos 8 theta. Now we know that cos into bracket minus theta, that means cos theta. So here cos into minus theta, in place of written cos theta minus cos 8 theta. Next question. Prove that sine into bracket pi by 4 plus theta into sine into bracket pi by 4 minus theta is equal to prove that 1 upon 2 cos 2 theta. So again here same identity apply here. First of all, here 2 is not present, so divide by 2 and after multiply by 2. So start from LHS side. So our first step, 2 divided by 1 by 2 and after here multiply by 2. So 2 times sine into bracket pi by 4 plus theta into sine into bracket pi by 4 minus theta bracket over. Now is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket here 2ss and 2ss, that means c minus c, and first bracket we can written minus sign and second bracket we can written plus sign. So here apply the identity 2ss is equal to c minus c. So is equal to 1 upon 2 cos, right? First pi by 4 plus theta we can consider in form of A, and pi by 4 minus theta we can consider in form of B. So here apply the identity cos into bracket A minus B. A, that means pi by 4 plus theta minus, okay, here we can apply one bracket, minus pi by 4 minus theta bracket over, in between minus sign, cos into bracket pi by 4 plus theta, in between plus sign, pi by 4 minus theta bracket over, whole bracket over. So is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket, now open this bracket, so cos into bracket pi by 4 plus theta minus pi by 4 minus minus plus theta minus cos into bracket pi by 4 plus theta plus pi by 4 minus theta bracket over, whole bracket over. Now pi by 4 minus pi by 4 cancel, plus theta minus theta cancel. So now here remaining term 1 upon 2 into bracket cos theta plus theta, that means cos 2 theta minus cos pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that means 2 pi by 4 and 2 pi by 4. So LCM same in both these terms. So remaining term is cos pi by 2. But we know that the value of cos pi by 2 is 0. So the value of cos pi by 2 0. So here cos pi by 2 in place of written 0. So 1 upon 2 into bracket cos 2 theta minus 0. So final answer 1 upon 2 cos 2 theta.